Did you know that most shoppers will abandon their cart just dollars away from qualifying for free shipping, simply because they don't know how close they are? Today, I'm going to show you how to add a real-time free shipping progress bar to your WooCommerce store in under 5 minutes, completely free using ShopLentor. ShopLentor is an all-in-one WooCommerce builder used by over 100,000 store owners. It includes a built-in free shipping bar module that shows customers exactly how much more they need to spend to unlock free shipping. As customers add products, the bar fills in real time, no page reload. And when they hit the threshold, a success message appears. Simple, effective, and proven to increase average order value. Let me walk you through the full setup. Inside your WordPress dashboard, go to ShopLentor and click on Modules. Find the free shipping bar module. Right now it's off, and let me toggle it on. Now I'll click the settings icon to open the configuration panel. You'll see 5 tabs: General, Messages, Appearance, Targeting, and Analytics. Let's go through the most important ones. In the General tab, first make sure Enable is checked. That's the master switch. Bar position lets you choose whether the bar sticks to the top or the bottom of the screen. I'll leave it at top. Display on pages lets you pick exactly where the bar appears. Leave this empty and it shows everywhere, or select specific pages, like Shop, Cart, and Checkout, for maximum impact. You can also restrict it to desktop only or mobile only. I'll keep it on all devices. Now, the shipping threshold. ShopLentor can auto-detect the free shipping minimum from your WooCommerce shipping zone. So if you already have that set up, you can leave this at 0 and it just works. Or if you want to set a specific amount, for example, $50, type it here. Shipping mode gives you 2 options. WooCommerce mode means the bar is display only. Your WooCommerce shipping configuration handles the actual free shipping. Module mode means ShopLentor applies free shipping automatically when the cart hits the threshold, which is useful if you want full control without touching shipping zones. I'll use module mode and set my threshold to $50. In the Messages tab, you write what customers see while they're working toward free shipping. The default message says, "Spend amount more to get free shipping." That curly brace amount placeholder gets replaced with the formatted dollar value automatically. And the success message appears when they hit the threshold. I'll keep the default celebration message. In appearance, I can match the bar to my brand colors. I'll set a dark background, white text, and a green progress fill. Takes about 10 seconds. Let me show you what this looks like for a customer. There's the bar at the top. 0 progress so far. Now let me add a product to the cart. Watch the bar update in real time. No page reload. It updated instantly. Let me add another product. There it is. You've unlocked free shipping. The bar fills completely and the message changes. That's the moment that motivates customers to complete their purchase. By default, the bar sticks to the top or bottom of the screen. The free version covers everything most stores need, but if you want to go further, ShopLentor Pro adds a countdown timer, a live countdown clock that ticks toward the end of your free shipping offer. Great for flash sales. Five visual skins. Pre-built designs you can switch with one click. Geo-targeting show a different threshold to customers based on their shipping zone, automatically. Scheduled display. Run the bar only during a specific date and time window, perfect for weekend promos. A/B testing. Test 2 different messages and see which one converts better, right inside the Analytics dashboard. An Analytics dashboard. Track impressions, conversions, and conversion rate with daily charts. Multiple bars. Create separate bars for different audiences, pages, or campaigns. All of that is inside ShopLentor Pro. Link in the description if you want to check it out. So that's the free shipping bar, set up in under 5 minutes, no coding, and built right into ShopLentor for free. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe. We cover WooCommerce tips, ShopLentor features, and store optimization every week. Download ShopLentor for free from the link below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.